Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents for compliance using DocuSign templates step by step clearly. To transfer documents for compliance using DocuSign templates, start by logging into your DocuSign account. Once logged in, navigate to the Templates section on the dashboard. Click the New button, then select Create Template from the drop-down menu. Upload the document you need to transfer for compliance. After the document is uploaded, you will be prompted to add recipient details. Enter the names and email addresses of the recipients who need to sign the document. Next, set the signing order if there are multiple signers involved. Once the recipients are added, head to the Add Fields section. Here, you can drag and drop the necessary fields onto the document, such as signature, date, and text fields. Ensure that each field is correctly positioned for the recipients to complete. After placing all required fields, review your template for accuracy. When satisfied, click on the Save and Close option. You will now return to the template overview screen. To send the document for signing, select your newly created template. Click the Use Template button. Fill in any additional information required and double-check recipient details. Finally, click the Send button to initiate the signing process. Wait for your recipients to complete their actions. Once all signatures are collected, check the completed document in your DocuSign account. This ensures that your documents are securely stored and compliant. You have now successfully transferred documents for compliance using DocuSign templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.